Hello everybody, it's me again, Linda with Gotta Be Handmade. I made this simple, quick little candle holder and I thought I would share it with you. You can make it as well. Now let me see. This is what I have. This is what you'll need. Crystals. These are various sizes. These are beads. I purchased these from the Walmart and they come like a necklace. Let's see, get it out. There it is. This is the way they come and you get, I think 5 of these. And it's maybe $3. I think I paid $2 something for them. So you'll need some of those. I use these alcohol wipes for my reading glasses. The E6000 glue. You may need your hot glue gun. It's up to you. This comes from the Family Dollar. Not Family Dollar. Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree. You need some of this. Just a wrap. This vase is from the Dollar Tree as well. You'll need, well, I bought 2 because I'm making 2 of these. And you'll need one of these glasses. I call this a pina colada glass. You'll need 2 of those or 1, depending on how many you're making. Now let me show you the finished one. It is the cutest thing. You see it? My camera's a little crooked. There we go. That's it. That's the bottom all the way to the top. And right in the middle, you just place your candle down in there. Now, I'm going to use those battery-operated candles. And it's going to be great. I won't have to worry about cleaning anything out of the glassware if I use a battery operated candle. Now let me show you what you do with these. These are the alcohol wipes. Let me bring my camera down. I take these and clean the glass. It just helps when you are adhering the glasses together with the glue. So I'm going to take one of these. And this one that I call the pina colada glass, it will be turned upside down. So I'm going to clean the base of this glass with the alcohol wipe. And you can just use a paper towel and some rubbing alcohol. It does the same thing. And when your project is finished, you can clean it with the alcohol and it will sparkle, sparkle, sparkle. Let me make sure it's in the camera. I'm going to raise the camera just slightly. There it is. So that's cleaned. Now, with the vase, it will sit on top like that. So I'm going to clean the bottom of the vase with the alcohol. Just like that. Okay, now that that's all cleaned, I'm going to sit it down just for a second to dry. Now you take your E16 glue. Let me back up just slightly so you can see the glue. You take your E6000 glue. I'm sorry, I said E16. And you're going to go all the way around. That bottom pedestal of what I'm calling your pina colada glass. and the glue dries clear. And you're going to take the vase and you're going to position it right in the center. I have a little excessive glue right in the center. Just like that. Just like that. And the glue works really, really well. Now you'll need to let that dry. I would say 24 hours, and it will adhere to the glass and it will be perfect. Now, let me show you the finished one. Let me raise my camera just a bit. That's the finished one. And you see, I can pick it up and you don't have to worry about it coming apart. That's the bottom all the way to the top. Now this top portion, this is what we're going to make next. And it doesn't take but a minute or two to make this candle holder, and you can use it at the holiday season time. You can use it on your mantle. You can use it on your table. Let me turn this finished one around. There it is. Now that's easy peasy. The finished one, let me move it back and let me show you the beads, how they are cut. There they are. Let me move my wipes. You're gonna need 3 different lengths of the beads. This is the longest length. And I think, let me count the beads. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. I have 24 beads on this one. So you're going to need to cut 3 strands with 24. Now I started where the bead is glued to one another, and that's perfectly okay. It will come out the same. You're going to need 3 that length. Then you're going to need 3, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. I thought I had subtracted 4. You're going to need 3 that have 20 beads. You subtract 4. And then finally, you're going to need 3 that have 16 beads. It should be, let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Yep. That's 16 beads. Cut 3. Now, you're also going to need this. And this is the first thing that I put on the top of the candle holder. Let me raise my camera. And you're going to glue it down with the same glue. Now, my camera is not